We are back out here at Jaywalk Kitchen, Pluto Mobile Repair Service and Mechanics. Make sure that you go ahead and get with us and don't get caught jaywalking. You want to go ahead and check out Jaywalk here. He has a really good cuisine going on here. You can check him out here at Jaywalk Kitchen on Instagram and Facebook. Also, the Almighty Boba Tea, which is a part of Jaywalk's. Catch him at Almighty Tea Boba, Instagram, Facebook. Here's your number. So we're gonna actually go inside here. We've done some work for Jaywalk already. We actually installed his AC unit. Right now he's having an issue with there's a leak on the sink here, which is underneath, and it's gonna be this line here. It came detached from where it's supposed to go, so we're gonna go in there and see if we can figure out what the deal is. So we were just messing with some plumbing lines. We just replaced the 2 plumbing lines here, the cold and the hot. Got the water back going. She's not leaking. The initial problem was the original lines, they busted at the top where the female adapter screws in, and I did so happen to have a couple of these, and that's what we needed right there. And we needed a adapter, a coupling to get in there. That's what we got. So make sure y'all get with us here at Pluto Mobile Repair Service, where we take care of all your mobile repair needs.